CSS unit series. In this we will see REM unit, percentage and practical use. This is day 18. Hello coding enthusiasts, Krishna Sharma here from Kredict and welcome to day 18 of our CSS unit series. Today we are continuing our exploration of relative length units. So focusing on the REM unit, percentage and their practical application. Subscribe if you are ready to make your design responsive and flexible. So let's overview of REM unit and percentage. So building on our understanding of the EM unit, today we are exploring the REM unit and percentages. This unit provides consistency and adaptability in your style sheets. So this is our REM unit overview. The REM unit is like the maestro of relative units, setting the baseline for the entire page. Let's take a closer look. So first I will make index.html and style. So I will give in the style tag all the style. Here I will write relative units part 2. So here I will write this tag. So here we have root element, root relative. So I will write root relative class with div. So in this I will write anything like lorem 10. Here we have some defaulted text. So in this head I will give a style tag and in the style we will give this style. So REM is just work on root elements. So here the root element is HTML. This HTML is our root element. You can see here we have this root relative and we give just your format document. You can use a prettier extension for your format document. This prettier code you can use. So here I gave the HTML font size 16 pixel, set the baseline font size for the entire page, and here we have root relative, we give the font size 1.2 rem. So this will relate on this font because this is our root element. So we give margin 2 rem. So let's see in our HTML file. So you can see here we have this font size. So if I increase the font size of root element, the size of this root relative will also increase. You can see if I decrease the size of this root element, the size of root element also decrease. I hope you are getting this. If I give 4.2 or 2.2 rem, then set axis also increase. I hope you are getting this. This is for making responsive our site. I hope you are getting this. So next we have percentage unit overview. Percentage add a pinch of adaptability to your style sheet. Let's see how. So here we have parent container and flexible text. So here we will make a two element. First we have parent container. In the parent container I will make another container which name is flexible text. So here we have flexible text. So in this I will write lorem 20. So here we have this. So I want to break some lines here. So you can see here we have more text. I hope you are seeing this. So if I give some property to them with using this percentage, so we have this and if I give this, I hope you are getting this. So let's format document. So this is our parent container. I give the 50% width and padding 5% and flexible text is font size 120%. So this is depend on this our parent container from this percentage. I hope you are getting this. So the text is decrease. So if I give width 60%, so see the text is coming here. I hope you are getting this. So now let's apply what we have learned to create responsive layout for your portfolio website. This is for your practice. Just practice this exercise. Make your portfolio website with this using percentage and REM. If you are ready to implement relative length unit in your project, hit like and share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more daily coding adventures. Tomorrow we will explore the practical use of unit in layout. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 18. I'm Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Let's continue refining our designs with relative length unit.